Today we're going to be reviewing the Aspinall of London Midi Mayfair 2, and this is the shade Black and Red Ombre Croc, and it's absolutely beautiful. I absolutely love this bag. It is definitely one of my favorites. So let's dive in and have a look at some of the details. Just before we start, if you do like this video, please hit the like and subscribe button. It really helps the channel out. Let's get into it. So this is the bag. It is made of full grain leather and it has this beautiful ombre effect. So it has the red and the black and it's just absolutely stunning. It has like a metallic finish on there. So when you get it in the light, you can see that it has that slight sheen on there, which is very beautiful. It also has this gold clasp on the front that says Aspinall of London. And to open it, you just push the clasp in and that releases the buckle there for you to be able to open it. And then it just slips back in and locks into place. It has gold hardware on the bag, so it does have a detachable strap as well, which I'll show you in a second. So you can hook that onto here or use it as a top handle as well. It also has the Aspinall of London logo on the back here in this beautiful gold finish, and also on the bottom of the bag as well. It does have these beautiful gold stands. I'm a big fan of having the stands on the bottom of the bags because it does protect them when you put them down, just from any scratches or scuffs or anything like that. If we open the bag up, now, it only has the one compartment in there, so there is the Midi Mayfair bag as well, and that actually has a divider in the middle, so you have two compartments in there, but this one only has the one. But then it does have a zipper on the back as well that you can actually pop things in there. To say it's such a small bag, it actually does fit quite a bit in here. So I'll show you in a second what actually fits in the bag. But I was quite surprised when it came because I thought it was actually going to be bigger than it was. And I didn't think I was going to be able to fit a lot of things in. So I was actually quite surprised that I could fit in a lot of my essential things, which was a bonus. I use this a lot, especially going out. Like you can take it out on an evening bag. You can use it through the day, but I tend to use it if I'm going out for dinner or out with friends for drinks and things like that. So it does measure 21 centimeters in length, 15 centimeters in height, and 8 centimeters in depth there. You do have the chain strap as well. So this is a beautiful gold and black chain. And then it does have the claw clasp on the end, and that literally just clips onto the end of the bag. And you can wear it on the shoulder or you can wear it crossbody. So that's detachable, so you can take it on and off. I do like to wear a crossbody bag, so I do actually like the chain. It isn't the longest chain, but you can actually get like chain extenders if you like your bag to sit a little bit lower. I do use that sometimes, a chain extender, because it is quite short and I like my bags to sit a little bit lower. You can also wear it just with the top handle there. You can just unclip the strap and then the bag is just a top handle. I actually use a lot as a top handle as well. I use it with the chain and without, so I use it both ways and I like it both ways. So the chain is 56 centimeters long and the top handle is 6 centimeters long. So like I say, you can carry that quite comfortably. It is a bit tight to fit on your hand there, but you can actually carry it quite comfortably there. It does retail for 1,600 Australian dollars, so it is quite a pricey bag. When I bought this bag, I bought it when it first came out and it was a lot cheaper and I did get it in the sale. So always look out for sales because you can get a real good deal when it's on sale. So I think I paid about 700 or 800 Australian dollars at the time and now it's selling for 1,600. So it has gone up quite a lot since I purchased it. I think I purchased it about 2 years ago. So to say I've had this 2 years, there really isn't a lot of wear on the bag at all. So it wears very well. So let's have a look at what actually fits in the bag. So these are my essentials that I do pretty much carry around with me most of the time. So I do have my sunglasses. I have spoke about this case before. It's made of leather, it's very slimline and it fits great inside the bag. So I'm going to pop that in first. Then I have my phone. I do like to put my phone inside the bag. I'm not someone that likes to carry it around. So I'm gonna pop that in. I'm then gonna pop in my keys in there. My card holder, I'm gonna pop in that zip pocket. So this is what it's looking like inside at the moment. I'm also going to pop in a mirror. My lipstick there. And my car key. So everything fits in there without a problem. I'll just show you. So that's what it's looking like, and there's still room in there. So you could still fit a little, you know, hand sanitizer, tissues, anything like that, just on the top, whatever else you want to fit in there. But it's feeling pretty full, but like I say, there is still a little bit of room. And then that closes without an issue. So for a small bag, you can actually fit quite a lot in it. I'm not one that carries large bags around. I do prefer sort of a small, medium-sized bag. And everything I've just put in this bag now is pretty much what I carry around with me on a daily basis. So if you are someone that likes to carry a lot of stuff, then this bag might not be for you. Or you could just use it on an evening, because I know we don't carry a lot of stuff with us on an evening. It's more on an everyday basis. So it's just personal preference, really. But I think the bag is super cute. I love the leather of the bag. I love the color. It does come in 12 different colors as well. There is a black and gold ombre croc as well. So very similar to this, but where the red is, it is a gold. They just do a plain black and like a green. So there's multiple different colors as well that you can get in this bag, and it's absolutely beautiful. It's definitely one of my favorites. So let's touch on some pros and cons of the bag. So let's start with the pros first. So I do like the fact that you can wear it with the top handle or with the chain as well. So you can wear it crossbody or on the shoulder, or just carry it with the top handle. I think the lock is really nice. It's easy to open with the push and release lock, and then it just clips back into place there. I think the color is absolutely stunning. The ombre effect is something that really drew my attention. So if you're liking something with a little bit of style, a little bit more bold, then this is a great bag too. The feet, it has the gold feet on there, which is a bonus because it does protect the bag from when you're pulling it down on the floor or on the table or wherever you're putting the bag down. That does protect it. It's also long wearing because of the full grain leather material there. And overall, it's just a great bag. I'm really pleased with it. Cons of the bag, it only has the one pocket inside. It's not necessarily a big con. If you do like organization in the bag, you only really have that one pocket and then the zip inside. Otherwise, there's not a lot of cons that I can think about with the bag, to be honest. There's way more pros than there are cons with this bag. So that's the end of the video. If you did find this video helpful, please hit the like and subscribe button. It really helps the channel out. And leave any comments in the comment section below, and I will do my best to answer them. I will see you in the next one. Take care.